Women, the Papa Lehua, return, and they will be presenting to you a song from their awana of their ho'opuka, or their graduation last month. This lineage song was written by our beloved Auntie Mikey Ayu Lake. And it is one of my favorite Hawaiian songs. It talks about my birthplace and the place that I live now, Kaua'i. And it makes me weak in the knees to see these beautiful ladies do this song. It also makes me weak in the knees to hear me sing it. And you know what? I'm pretty good at it. And I could stand up for this song because all week during rehearsal, I never know if I wanted to dance the hula or sing. We had to take vote at rehearsals. So I had to stand up. I'm going to stand up now so that I can do some motions in the oceans. So I don't know if you like watch me or them, but whatever. I'm pretty good. Just saying. Aloha, moki'ana, pua o kaua'i, vili'ia, me ka mai lela li'ili'i, mai le li'ili'i e u'i, o nauna, e aloha wau ia oe mea u me oe I ka puwai aloha no kaua'i luana I